Welcome back everyone. Now I'm going to tell you the final thing that why I was keeping the N side on the uppermost layer and then the P side. Well, it could vary a little bit. There is not much difference. You can produce the electricity anyway, but I'm taking this thing like on the first look because the number of electrons in the N are more, and what I told you is when the light falls, the photons falls, it will going to excite the electrons. So where this principle is coming from? Yes, you're right, photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is my reason that I chose to keep the n side up, because according to this principle the electron gets excited if the enough energy is given, and it could either go out or get to its threshold frequency. And here it's a positive charge, so positive dominating area, so hole can also get excited but not as equal to the electrons, because somewhere electrons has to disturb, right? So the majority of the electron means majority of the electron go out. So that's a good news for us. So this is why I was keeping the n side up in both the cases. And don't get confused even the slightest bit, because this is the explanation part for you, and this one is also explanation part for you, and this one is also explanation part for you. But when you have to tell someone that what you have learned, or you have to clarify this thing, this is the right slide to revise with. So this is the right side to revise with all the concepts. There is a perfect clarity between these two. And what about the LED? Well, LED do not require any kind of figure, because there is no figure, right? There is just a crystal. That crystal get hits, it produces the frequency, and that frequency is having a definite color with definite wavelength, and that gives us the light. So it is pretty much simple thing. So for these ones, I gave you the master plan to solve that and sort it out. And finally, we have resolved the question. So now you can feel getting excited and super happy, like jolly one, right? Okay, let's celebrate. Hmm. So is there anything left? Well, I wish to teach you this one too, and or and not gates. So as you can see, it is digital electronics. So what we have studied till now was actually the analog electronics. What is the difference between digital and analog? Well, analog works upon the signals, like these one signals, like the old days. As I am talking to you, so in my room it's the signal that is going on, but you are listening to me on your device, so it's in the form of zeros and ones in the binary or machine language. So this is the digital electronics. So we are not going to explore all the areas of the digital electronics. Instead, we are trying to explore the basics of the digital electronics. That is also in our high school syllabus of one. So we are going to explore this in the next one. Stick with me. Take care. God bless.